Hello friends, in this video I will show how to record using PowerPoint in Windows 11. So guys, if you have PowerPoint, so without any third-party software, you can record your screen. Open your PowerPoint, then here click on record. Here you will see deliver engaging presentation anytime. Here you will see some preview. Communicate your story with confidence. Click on this red button to record your screen. Now screen is running. Add notes or a script to help you land your message clearly. You can set here change. You can change slide presentation view. Once you complete, click on this stop recording. You can edit your recording here. Now screen is running. Add notes or a script to help you land your message clearly. So this way you can record using PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.